This is Scott at Russ Darrow of Wauwatosa, Wisconsin, and this is the 5 things that I need to make life happen here at the dealership. Number 1 is the phone that I'm recording this on. You can do phone calls on the phone, videos, send texts, emails, and take pictures. Number 2, gotta have a closing pen, not just any pen, a closing pen to close your deals with. You can't do life without a closing pen. Number 3, especially in the morning, gotta have a morning cup of joe. Number four, your business card. It has your name, has the dealership phone number, your email, and your personal cell phone number. And number 5, especially when you're in front of a customer, gotta have a piece of gum. You don't want to be knocking your customers out with your bad breath, so gotta have gum. And then one extra thing, I need you down here at the dealership, and I will get you in a car today. All right, we'll talk to you later. Again, this is Scott at Russ Darrow of Wauwatosa, and we'll talk to you later.